honest, y'all, this is a wonderful gift idea right here. But also, if there is ever a product brand company that is worthy of your support, it is this one, Two Blind Brothers. I cannot wait to do this unboxing video for you guys. If you have not heard of Two Blind Brothers, this is a wonderful company. All proceeds go to support treatment and cures for blindness. I have Stargardts Disease, the brothers have Stargardts Disease. Our journeys are very, very similar, but they do such excellent work in advocating and promoting awareness for the blind community. It is a worthy cause to support, and I highly recommend you go to their website. You can shop blind, you can see all their products and order specifically what it is you want. I can't highly recommend them more. I cannot wait to get into this box, this Shop the Blind box, which is really a bag, I guess. Hey guys, excuse me. So I've decided I'm going to be giving away one of the items from my box today in this video. So make sure you keep watching to the very end so that you can find out which item I'm going to be giving away and how you can enter into the drawing. Good luck. But real quick, I want to say thank you to Two Blind Brothers for sending me this, and also for supporting. I did a 1K giveaway on my channel, and that winner also got a Shop Blind box. So thank you guys so much for giving back to the community. I really appreciate you all just supporting all the way around. All right. Without further ado, let's see what you can get when you shop blind. Okay. Sorry if all this packaging is a little loud. And some more packaging here. Oh, this is like a Ziploc thing. Very accessible, easy peasy. What do we have? Oh my, oh my goodness, you guys. Oh, it looks like a bag or tote of some kind. Oh, I think it is. Guys, it's a duffel bag. Oh my goodness, and look, can you all see that this is awesome? It has Braille at the bottom, and the quality is like, you can tell this could hold like 100 pounds. And this is crazy. This is, ooh, and there's all kinds of pockets inside. Yes, perfect, because as a blind mom, you can never have enough bags to organize, to carry things, we're pack mules, right? Whether you're blind or not. And oh my gosh, I can tell this thing is so well made. The construction is so sturdy. This thing can hold a lot of weight. So freaking cool. Okay, let's move on and see. I think there might be some more stuff in here. Okay, move that out of the way. Let's dig in here. Okay, oh, it looks like we have something else here. Let's open this bag up. I think it's like a clothing item. Oh my goodness. This quality, guys, is so on point. I mean, it's amazing. It's so soft, so soft. It is, oh my goodness, I love this shirt. It is just so freaking soft, and look at the detail at the bottom. Can you all see that? Is that in the shot? Can you see the Braille? Guys, this shirt is so soft and so comfortable. I cannot wait to wear this. Let's see what else. Moving on. Got one more thing. Oh, socks. Oh my gosh. And it looks like there's, I think I've seen some different colors here. This is, I can see this color. This is bright. It's like a yellow or a green. My favorite color, green. Thank you guys so much. These feel so soft and so warm. I cannot wait to put these on my feet. Oh my gosh, I'm stoked, super stoked. If you want to check out their website and shop blind or shop their numerous awesome high quality products on their website, I'm gonna put it down below in the description box. Remember, all proceeds do go to support treatment and cures of blindness and the research that goes to support our community. Me again, here we go. So we're to the giveaway portion of this video. Here's what you're going to need to do. Of course, be subscribed to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate the support here, but also if you choose on TikTok and Instagram, I would love to see you there as well. But what you definitely are required to do is to comment down below. Specifically, you're going to have to include in your comment the all capitals TBB for Two Blind Brothers. I'm going to be doing a random comment picker to select the giveaway winner. The giveaway item is going to be the large black tote. And I'm going to be searching for that TBB all capital acronym. All right, good luck. If you would like more tips, tricks, hacks, service recommendations, product recommendations, things like this, let me know by subscribing and hitting the like button, and I'll catch you in the next video. Blessings to you and yours.